Use the PubMed Advanced Search Builder to create and refine PubMed searches. For this example, I'm going to search within a specific range of publication dates. Click Advanced below the PubMed search box. You can select from any of the PubMed searchable fields. Here, I'll leave all fields to enter my topic search. For this example, I'm entering allergy gut microbiome into the search box. Click Add to move the topic terms to the query box. Now I'll specify my publication dates. Select Date Publication in the drop-down. You can enter as much of the date as you would like. Specify a particular year, month, and day. Let's enter the dates January 1st, 2020 to June 1st, 2020. Clicking AND adds the publication date range to the query box using the Boolean operator AND. AND is used by default, but you can click on the down arrow and select a different operator as needed. The query box shows the search that will run in PubMed. Click Search. Our PubMed search results are refined to only show topics pertaining to allergy and gut microbiome, and that were published between January 1st and June 1st, 2020. You can also use Advanced Search to look up journal titles or author names using the Autocomplete feature. Select the field of interest, for example, Journal. Start typing the title or name. Once your title of interest appears, select it from the list. Click Add. Once you're finished building your search in the query box, click Search to retrieve your results. Search is used by default, but you can change this by clicking on the down arrow and selecting Add to History instead. This will add the query to your history without leaving the advanced search page. Now the query has been added to my history table. To view the results, click the Results link in the history table. Our PubMed results include only citations from the specified journal. Give the Advanced Search Builder a try with your searches. If you have comments or questions, use the Support Center link at the bottom of any PubMed screen.